Okay, so hi dear Capricorn. Very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Capri Sun Moon Venus rising from 19th till the 25th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box and you'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love Course, two links are given below in the description box. So let's start, Cappies. The person that you are, okay, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see, Capricorn. We have the Ten of Pentacles. So Cappy, somebody is definitely feeling like uh having a energy of, okay, you are their home, you are their family, you are the one that they can see themselves with. Okay, let me clarify the Ten of Pentacles. There's a sense of you are family, you mean a lot to me kind of a deal. Let me clarify the Ten of Pentacles. For some of you, you guys might be business partners or working together. Some of you only. Okay, let's clarify this Ten of Pentacles. We have this Fool, this Empress, and the Six of Swords. This is somebody who feels like there's still a potential of growth and expansion in the situation. They feel like taking the risk of sorting it out with you. This person feels like having a peaceful resolution to the problem that you guys are facing in the situation, because they still see you as their potential partner, as somebody that they can have a long term future with, have a good family kind of dynamic with, and they feel like going finding a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys are facing in the situation for whatever reason. Even if this person is physically moving on maybe from you or at a distance from you, this person sends a very grounded kind of energy between you and them. They still feel the potential of this connection going somewhere. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Three of Cups. You feel like enjoying your life to the fullest and giving your time and energy to things, people, and situation that makes you happy. Okay, let's clarify the Three of Cups. We have the Tower and the Sun card and the Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, you feel like you should be happy. No matter who is coming in your life, no matter who is going out of your life, you should be happy, and you should put in the effort and energy from your side in creating the kind of happiness that you deserve. Okay, in your life, you feel like putting in the effort and energy, or investing your time and energy onto only that things, that people, that situations that you know are good for you and are going to give you happiness in return. Okay, it's like a investing wisely kind of a deal from your side. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? A lot of cards came out, so let me reshuffle. Six of Cups. This person wants coming back home kind of energy between you and them. Coming back to each other kind of energy. Let me clarify the Six of Cups. I'm getting the Six of Cups a lot these days. A lot. What is happening, guys? Let's clarify the Six of Cups. We have the Seven of Cups and the Queen of Wands, the Magician. This person wants to manifest clarity in the situation. This person wants to manifest this energy of, okay, universe, please help me to either have a reconciliation with the person that I am still attached to energetically, and help me find out somebody just like this situation. Meanwhile, working on themselves. They want to manifest something like someone like you, and or exactly you in their life back, meanwhile working on their individual energies. So basically, what I'm seeing here is they still see a potential between you and them, but they want to keep their options open to understand that maybe it's never going to work out between you and them. And so I don't know why my nose is itching like crazy. Just bear with me. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so they are manifesting this energy of maybe wanting you back, and or wanting somebody just like you back in their life. so that they can move forward and be happy. A connection like you or you. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Temperance, you just want to remain very, very patient. You want to remain patient, you want to see where things can go with this patience of yours. You just want to be in this energy of, okay, let it unfold naturally and organically. Whatever is supposed to happen will happen eventually. Let's clarify the temperance. We have the Two of Cups and the Two of Swords and the King of Wands. Yes, you don't want to operate in any kind of confusion. You don't want to operate in any kind of ifs and buts and on and off kind of energy. You want to take the risk of going in a particular direction only when you are going to be crystal clear about the feelings, about the energies, about the yes, about the energy of this is the right thing to do. And you want to patiently wait for the time when you're going to get this surge and this desire to go ahead in a particular direction with a soulmate kind of feeling, not going in a going in a particular situation just for the sake of going in that situation. That's good. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 25th of May. Three of Wands. It's like, okay, moving forward, not looking back, but still having one foot in, one foot out of a situation. Mostly out. Let's clarify the Three of Wands. We have the Queen of Cups, the Strength card, the High Priestess. Yes, practicing a lot of self-love, self-care, self-healing. Meanwhile, stopping yourself from going in a particular direction. It's like it's going to take you a lot of strength and courage to not to go in a particular direction. And you are kind of listening to your intuition. Your intuition is kind of guiding you to move forward and practice a lot of self-love, self-care, self-healing and keep moving forward. So right now, nothing much is changing in the 3D world, but a lot is changing internally inside of you, where you are continuously being called for working on yourself, on your healing, proper nurturing and caring kind of energy, and you're doing it anyway. It's just the universe kind of reminding you that the past is gone and the past is in the past for a very valid reason. Don't forget that reason no matter what. For you, the guidance here is the High Priestess. Your intuition is very, very high these days, and your intuition is actually guiding you to the people, places, things, and situations that are good for your growth and expansion, that are good for your energies. Okay, so listen to your intuition, listen to your gut feelings, listen to what you feel from inside, and act accordingly. Don't make any kind of impulsive moves or impulsive choices. You're not doing it anyway, just a gentle reminder. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you.